Santa Claus here with some good news. There's still plenty of time for you to get on the nice list. That's right. What's very important is having and maintaining our smoke detectors, an Egress Pros window system, and an emergency plan for escape in case of fire or any emergency. Oh, yes. Just call my friends at Egress Pros. Oh, they are experts in fire safety and egress code. Why, in one day, the elves at Egress Pros will install a life-saving Egress Pros window system. Now, during the holiday seasons, Egress Pros will install a smoke detector for free in your basement with every egress window installation. Don't wait another day. Have a very Merry Christmas and a very safe New Year.